Welcome to Domain Industries. Today, we're going to show you the proper way to install our EZ Undermount Sink Clips. Properly installed, our EZ Undermount Sink Clips can withstand the abuse any kitchen or bathroom sink can give it. First, let's go over the materials. Dispensing gun, clip and rod bonder cartridge, a mixing tip, a no-drill EZ Undermount fastener, a bracket, a wing nut, and a washer. Now let's go over how to install the rod bonder into the dispensing gun. Open the front of the dispensing gun as shown. Insert the rod bonder cartridge into the slots. Close the gun, ensuring it is secure. Remove glue cap and then secure the mixing tip onto the rod bonder cartridge. Dry fit the EZ Undermount fastener and bracket. Make sure there is room to adjust the bracket in case you need to make some adjustments to the placement of the sink later on. Remove the bracket and mark the placement of the stud. Squeeze a generous amount of adhesive within your markings for the mounting stud. Then, place the stud onto the wet adhesive to force it through the channels in the plate. Wait for the adhesive to cure completely, about 15 to 20 minutes. Place the bracket onto the stud, followed by the washer, and hand tighten the wing nut. Repeat this process for the required number of clips per your application. It's that simple. Good job, buddy! So how strong are these clips really? Let's find out. We put our Affinity solid surface material on a forklift and attached a PVC-coated wire rope to the EZ Undermount clip. On the other end of the wire rope, here we have three 45-pound weights, totaling 135 pounds. It is safe to say, properly installed, each EZ Mount sink clip can hold 135 pounds. Depending on the size of the sink, it is recommended you install 6 to 10 sink clips per sink. That's 810 to 1,350 pounds. Your sinks are safe with EZ Undermount Sink Clips.